This is the ship that triggered panic on some residents in Lobo, Batangas. Coast Guard personnel approached the ship. Its passengers, mostly Chinese nationals, come forward. Coast Guard explains to its passengers that its diver will check the underwater. The passengers also spoke to CNN Philippines. Then the diver takes the plunge. Underwater video shows beauty and life underwater.
Mayaman dagat siya, ma'am, kasi marami ako nakita, ma'am, mga isda na tapos ang ma'am, yung maraming siyang starfish, tapos may damo, world class, ma'am, kasi maganda, ma'am, yung ilalim.
The residents were caught off guard when it arrived here at the Lagadlarin mangrove forest. Residents would tell us that this used to be their happy place. If you look around, you'll see clean water surrounded by white fine sand. Although it looks normal and calm, residents say that they can't keep their peace as long as this ship is still here.
Nangangamba rin po kami kasi sa tagal na po, 1 linggo na po sila dito, ay hindi naman namin alam kung anong gagawin dito. Sinasabi nila na sila ay kukuha lang ng buhangin. Isa po yun sa pinag-interesan itong buhangin kasi ang buhangin po ng Lubobam, first class. Nakita mo na yun, napakaganda, napakaputi.
Nakaano dito ang Chinese. Ngayon lang nangyari na may tumigil diyang barko na malaki na ang mga sakay ay Chinese.
Sabi, may droga daw, ganon. Tapos may nabalitaan kami na iip-ip daw siya ng buhangin dito sa may tabi ng, dito sa may bukana ng ilog.
So far, the Coast Guard says everything is above board.
Nag-comply naman po yung vessel, no? So wala kami nakita ang nag-violate sila. Nakita namin wala naman pong na-damage na corals.
Despite this, Lobo residents are against allowing the Chinese-led vessel to continue with its supposed dredging and silting operations. Apparently, there's already one ongoing.
Nangangamba kami dahil sa oras po na, halimbawa, sisip-sipin yung buhangin, ang mangyayari po sa amin is, siyempre, lalalim niya ng lalalim. Pagdating po ng mga bagyo, siyempre maapektuhan po talaga ang Lagadlarin.
Ito lang ang yaman ng Lobo dahil ang Lobo ay declared na agro-ecotourism. Walang ibang magiging hanap buhay ang Lobo, ang mga mamamayan ng Lobo kung hindi galing sa kalikasan.
The Environment Department has already suspended the Environmental Compliance Certificate of Seagate Engineering and Build Systems, the company behind the supposed operations. But it's still unclear as to when the ship will leave. Insofar as the residents are concerned, they want the ship out of their sight soon. From Lobo, Batangas, Trisha Terada, CNN Philippines.